continuation with the last lecture, we'll discuss remaining part of research process. I think last lecture we have started discussion on research process, right? And we have said that process starts with formulation of research problem, right? And ends when you come up with your research findings. Process केव्हा समजेल? जे research finding analysis नंतर जे तुम्ही generate करता, their research completes. Starts with formulation of problem and ends when you write your research finding. So in between formulation of research problem and final conclusion or findings of research, what is included? What activities are included? What steps are involved? That I think we have discussed in the last lecture. Correct? Some steps we had referred for discussion in the last class. Remaining steps of process we will discuss in today's lecture. Okay. एकदा तुम्हाला त्या स्टेप समजल्या काय काय रिसर्च मध्ये असते प्रोसेस अकॉर्डिंग आणि तेच आपल्या सगळ्या प्रोसेस आपल्याला पूर्ण प्रोसेस आपल्याला या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये स्टडी करायची. Later you go through the course materials or syllabus of this paper. Then all these steps we have to study in detail so far as this subject is concerned. Okay. And I think last lecture formulation of research problem, then literature review we have discussed. Means how literature review or study of literature important in researcher point of view. Researcher ला literature चा review घेणं खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं. त्यात आपण दोन गोष्टी डिस्कस केल्या. एक theoretical literature असतं आणि दुसरं research literature. Theoretical literature कुठे available is? What are the sources where we can get theoretical literature available? Books. Reference books, textbooks, or course material which is provided by university. Already university they have provided you course material, hard form or soft form. So there you will find the theoretical literature. On the other hand, research literature. So you can research literature where it is available. Past project report. आता मागच्या वर्षी मुलांनी केलेले प्रोजेक्ट त्याच्यामध्ये काय research literature. Okay, so you have to study the past project reports. You have to review past project report. तुमच्यापेक्षा हायर लेवलचे रिपोर्ट असतात ते कुठल्या डिग्रीला असतात? MPhil ला असतात किंवा PhD ला असतात. MBA पेक्षा हायर लेवल MPhil, तुझ्यापेक्षा हायर लेवल रिसर्च डिग्रीचा विचार केला तर PhD. तर असं नाही की MBAच्या मुलांनी फक्त MBAचे रिपोर्ट रेफर करावा. तुम्ही इव्हन जर काय अवेलेबल झाले तर MPhil लेवलचा रिसर्च किंवा PhD लेवलचा रिसर्च पण तुम्ही बघू शकता काय केलं. कारण कॉमर्स मधला किंवा मॅनेजमेंटचा रिसर्च टॉपिक हा MBA ला वेगळा असतो, MPhil ला वेगळा असतो आणि PhD ला असं काही नसतं. सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक असाच आहे, फक्त तो खरं PhD लेवलला रिसर्च केला असतो. MBA लेवलला थोडा म्हणजे आस्पेक्ट त्या टॉपिकचे कमी असतात. तिथे डिटेल स्टडी असतो, थरो रिसर्च. समजा एखादा स्टुडंटला मार्केटिंगमध्ये रिसर्च करायचं. मार्केटिंगमध्ये आपण मागच्या क्लासमध्ये डिस्कस केलं की ब्रॉड एरिया मार्केट, त्याच्यामध्ये सब एरियाज मार्केटिंगचे. सो यू हॅव टू डिसाइड नो ब्रॉड एरिया इनटू सब एरियाज. You have decided no, I want to research in marketing, but in marketing which subject or which problem, which marketing problem? That sub areas. You have to decide broad area sub area. When somebody will say no, I want to research in buying behavior, consumer buying. But consumer buying behavior, what includes consumer buying behavior? It is theory तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. Consumer buying चा research करायला म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा buying behavior म्हणजे काय? Buying behavior मध्ये काय काय aspects आहेत? ती थिअरी तुम्हाला पाहिजे. आणि समजा MPhil लेवलला किंवा PhD लेवलला एखादी बाईंग बिहेवियर रिसर्च केला असेल तर काय रिसर्च केला आहे बाईंग बिहेवियर आहे की नाही ते बघायला पाहिजे. किंवा MBA लेवलला एखादा प्रोजेक्ट असेल बाईंग बिहेवियर. सो व्हॉट ही हॅज डन ऑन बाईंग बिहेवियर इन MBA लेवल, MPhil लेवल, PhD लेवल. सो दॅट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स. जे तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल किंवा कशा पद्धतीने त्यांनी रिसर्च केला आहे, कुठली मेथडॉलॉजी यूज केली आहे. तर लिटरेचर रिव्ह्यू रिसर्चच्या दृष्टिकोनातून खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं. आता रिसर्चर शुड स्पेंड as maximum as possible time in libraries, periodicals. लायब्ररीमध्ये पुस्तकं असतात, प्रोजेक्ट असतात, वाचायला पाहिजे. पिरियॉडिकलमध्ये द्यायला पाहिजे. तिथं काय वाटतं वेगवेगळे मॅगझिन्स असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये आर्टिकल्स असतात, रिसर्च आर्टिकल असू शकतात किंवा ज्या रिसर्च जर्नल पिरियॉडिकलमध्ये अवेलेबल असतात, सिरियल्स असतात. तिथं तुम्ही जाऊन ते वाचन करायला पाहिजे. रिसर्चरचं पहिला काम काय असतं, जेवढं तुम्ही लिटरेचरचा स्टडी करा, तेवढं वाचन करा, तेवढं तुम्हाला ते क्लिअर करतो काय. नाही तर मग काय होतं की मग तुमचे ॲक्च्युअली कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर नसतात. कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर नसेल तर मग रिसर्च काय करणार, काय रिसर्च चांगला केव्हा होऊ शकतो, ते कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर पाहिजे. थिओरिटिकल रिसर्च म्हणजे रिसर्च मॅथॉलॉजीचे कन्सेप्ट आहेत, ते तुम्हाला ॲक्च्युली त्या रिसर्च लिटरेचरमध्ये. तर हे आपण क्लासमध्ये डिस्कस केलं की फॉर्म्युलेशन ऑफ रिसर्च, सेकंड स्टेप इज रिव्ह्यू लिटरेचर, अँड त्याच्यानंतरचा भाग आहे तो महत्त्वाचा आहे तो आपल्याला डिस्कस करायचा. त्यामध्ये आपण ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह, next step, the objectives of research study. So we have to spell out the objectives of research study. हमारा रिसर्च करायचं आहे बाइंग बिहेवियर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, तो बाइंग बिहेवियर काय रिसर्च करायचं, काय स्पेसिफिक त्याचे आस्पेक्ट्स यू वॉन्ट टू कवर इन युअर रिसर्च which is on buying behavior. So then what we'll say, what we should supposed to cover. For that you have to understand that how, while formulating research problem, we divide broad area into sub areas. Dissect. Now, for example, now consumer buying behavior. If at all you want to spell out objectives, first of all you have to know that problem you have to dissect into sub-problems, or topic you have to dissect into subtopics. Correct? So buying behavior. Buying behavior we want to study. But marketing मध्ये आपण buying behavior study करू. Customers buying behavior. This is what theory says. Buying behavior म्हणजे काय? तर जनरली buying behavior म्हणजे एखादा कस्टमर असतो, एखाद्या कंपनीचा कस्टमर असतो, तर त्याची बाइंग बिहेवियर स्टडी करायची म्हणजे what he feels about the product of company, what he feels about product of company, what are his opinions about product of company, what are his views about product of his company. That I want to study. Not only buying behavior includes his views about product, his opinions about product, his feeling about product, but also what factors we consider while buying product. We all are buyers. आपण कुठला तरी कुठला product आपण खरेदी करत असतो, day to day basis किंवा नेहमी खरेदी करतो, ठीक आहे? We are buyers. So what we consider while buying product? काय consider करतो आपण? एखादा product घ्यायचा, okay, somebody says I will consider brand. एखादा product घ्यायचा, म्हणजे कुठला brand, चांगला brand कुठल्या कंपनीचा आहे, तो मी consider. ब्रँड म्हणून काय कन्सिडर करतो आपण ॲज अ बायर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट? क्वालिटी. ओके, ब्रँड, क्वालिटी, आणखी सर्विस, अँड durability. Quality, durability to some extent. Value, price. And what else? Value, price. Additional value addition.
समजा मी हुंडाई घेतली कार आणि मी मर्सिडीज बेन्झ घेतली. मर्सिडीज बेन्झ घेतल्यामुळे माझ्या इन जनरल होलिस्टिक व्हॅल्यू ॲडिशन होणार आहे.
Okay, holistic. That also, as a customer, I also
believe, विश्वास.
Belief, okay, means trust. Brand आपण ते विचार करूनच घेतो ना कुठला ब्रँड आपला ट्रस्ट आहे बिलीफ आहे मीन्स
गरज एखाद्या गोष्टीची आपल्याला गरज आहे ते ब्रँड किती चांगला असतो त्या गोष्टीला आपल्याला
ओके नीड वॉन्ट नीड वी कन्सिडर डेफिनेटली बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट मला पाहिजे कंझ्युमर प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही खरेदी करायला तर हा प्रोडक्ट मी ठरवला ती प्रोडक्ट घेत असताना पुन्हा काय काय विचारतो बिकॉज दॅट आय वॉन्ट आय एम गोइंग फॉर दॅट प्रोडक्ट आय वॉन्ट इट आय नीड इज आयडेंटिफाईड and now I want to buy that product. So now while buying, then what price, quality. आता खरेदी करायची तर कसं मी प्राइस विचारतो क्वालिटी need unless there is a need I cannot go for that because there is a need I am buying I want to buy. Now while buying I consider price I compare so there are no more than one brands are available in the market so of that what brand price of this X brand, price of Y brand, or Z price I quality I compare, availability also I consider, service I consider, price value I consider. These I consider. So means these are the factors which are influencing on buying behavior. Okay, along with the buying behavior चा अभ्यास म्हणजे काय तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण त्याचे feelings, त्याचे opinions, त्याचे views product and every factors also we consider. So this covers under buying what? Briefly said. Detail you can study what exactly buying behavior includes. But briefly this includes in buying. The buying behavior research म्हणजे हा research आहे. याचा research करायचा. याचा study करायचा, याचा अभ्यास करायचा. So topic we have problem is divided into sub problems. Problem of brand, problem of quality, problem of service, problem of price, problem of value. Are you with me? Whatever topic you select for your research, that you have to dissect into sub-topics. Or topic what you select for research, that you have to divide into subtopics. This subtopic, price is topic dana, quality topic dana, quality production topic. You have to dissect. Unless you dissect, you cannot proceed further for spelling out objective. मग हे आपल्याला विचारलं ना आपण objectives spell out करा. Correct. Before you spell out objectives, you have to raise these research questions. Research questions. So once you dissect topic into subtopics, then this you consider when raising the research question. Unless you raise research question, you cannot spell out the objective. Okay, so how to raise the research question? While raising research question, this to each other. So for example, questions number 1: what would be the views, or what is the view, or what are the views of customer about product? For example, first. What is the first research question? What are the views of customer? What are the views about product of customer? Then, what is opinion of customer? Opinion about product, so views about product, opinion about product of customer. Then what are the factors influencing? What are the factors influencing on buying behavior? What are the factors influencing on buying behavior? Means what brand? Factor number 1. What quality customer expect? What price he expects? What type of service he expects from company? Right? Research questions means once you dissect subtopics into sub-areas, subtopic, main topic into subtopics, then this you can consider while raising the research questions. Because this is what we want to study. No? See, first what we want to study, question is, what are the views about product of customers? काय व्ह्यूज आहे कस्टमरचे ह्या प्रॉडक्ट बद्दलचे काय व्ह्यूज आहेत माझ्या कंपनीच्या प्रॉडक्ट कस्टमरचं काय ओपिनियन आहे काय व्ह्यूज आहेत that I want to find out from research. Research मला काय करायचं तर हे this I want to answer. This I can answer by research. This question I can answer by research or study. This question I can answer by my research. So first of all you have to raise the questions. Research मध्ये मला काय आन्सर करायचं आहे कुठलाही आपण प्रॉब्लेम आयडेंटिफाय करतो इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतो रिसर्च through research we give the solution to the problem. बरोबर ना? So this is a problem. So I want to give solution. I want to answer this question. This is a problem. Or this is a question that I want to answer. Correct. So that I will answer through research. तो प्रोजेक्ट तुम्ही करता ते क्वेश्चन आहे हे तुम्ही ठरवल्याशिवाय तुम्ही यू कॅनॉट स्टार्ट तुम्हाला बाय मिरर स्टडी करायचं आहे काय करायचं तुम्ही ठरवलं पाहिजे पहिला कुठले क्वेश्चन कुठले प्रॉब्लेम आन्सर करावे बाय मिरर स्टडी करा काय करायचं ते ठरवल्याशिवाय कसा रिसर्च सुरू करणार स्टडी काय करणार यू हॅव टू बी स्पेसिफिक and if there is like question like this then you will be able to answer this question through research or through your study. So what it means how research questions are raised? Any questions? And this is very important because students generally they find difficulties in spelling out objectives further. First raising questions, further spelling out objectives and then formulating hypothesis statements on the line of objectives. They are interrelated actually. आता ह्याच्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह स्पेल आउट आणि मग हायपोथेसिस हे स्टेप्स आहेत रिसर्चच्या प्रोसेसमध्ये वेगवेगळे असतात ओके नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन्स you consider while spelling out the objectives because we want to spell out the objectives of research. So what is the first question? What are the views of customer? What are the views of customer about product? So what is your first objective? To assess or examine views of customer about product. Only construction बदलतो ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह मध्ये रिसर्च क्वेश्चन रेज केलं आणि आपण इथं रिसर्च मेथोडॉलॉजी मध्ये किंवा रिसर्च लँग्वेज मध्ये दे कॉल इट एज अ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह सो यू कॅनॉट पुट नो रिसर्च क्वेश्चन ॲज इट इज सो दोज क्वेश्चन्स यू कन्सिडर अँड स्पेल आउट द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह रिसर्च लँग्वेज मध्ये कसं टू स्टडी म्हणजे माझा स्टडीचा रिसर्चचा उद्देश का पहिला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह टू examine to assess the views of customers then you can use word like to view to assess to examine to study to analyze objectives spell out करताना असे वर्ड यूज करायचे ओके सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपण म्हणूया टू फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट to study we say to study the views of customers okay now this is for example first object study so now when you will start your research work you will keep this object in mind now what you want to do you want to study the views of customer now if at all you want to study views of customer. How you study views of customer? How you study views of customer? Customer, company, customer, you identify. Yes. कैसे study करें? Use कैसे study करें? कैसे study करें? Survey of a customer, you have to use the questionnaire or schedules you have to use, not discussion or interview. So that is generally method generally used. Because we want to conduct survey of, say for example, 100 customers. So 100 customers ला ज्यावेळेला तुम्ही views study करायचे, त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला एक uniformity पाहिजे. म्हणजे त्यांचे views study करण्याकरता तुम्ही त्यांच्याशी ज्या मुद्द्यांवर तुम्ही चर्चा करणार आहे त्याची मला views जाणून घ्यायचे त्यांचे. तर एक uniformity त्या प्रश्न विचारण्यामध्ये एखादा क्वेश्चन आहे शेड्यूल आणि एक क्वेश्चनर जो बनवतो तोच क्वेश्चनर आपण सगळ्यांकडनं बनवतो सगळ्या कस्टमर पहिला कस्टमर सेकंड कस्टमर थर्ड फोर्थ 100 कस्टमर वी वांट टू कंडक्ट सर्वे ऑफ 100 फॉर एक्झाम्पल अगेन why 100 why not 200 that is again methodology you have to understand sampling म्हणतो आपण तर my first objective, we try to understand objective why? Because unless you spell out objectives, you will not get direction for your research. No, where I have to start? जे पहिला जे तुम्ही तयार असल्याशिवाय you cannot decide no. असं you cannot go to market and no yourself. So first of all, you have to decide what you want to study. And once you decide, okay, this I want to study, then accordingly you can proceed and start your रिसर्च वर्क. रिसर्च मध्ये दोन गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या असतात. एक म्हणजे फील्ड सर्वे डेटा कलेक्शन असतं. म्हणजे दोन गोष्टी नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायच्या. म्हणजे सर्वे बेस्ड रिसर्च म्हणजे डेटा कलेक्शन एक महत्त्वाचा असतो. डेटा कलेक्शन नंतर डेटा अनालिसिस या दोन गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या असतात. कलेक्शन अँड अनालिसिस त्या रिसर्च मध्ये दोन महत्त्वाचे. पण ते करण्यापूर्वी ह्या सगळ्या तुमचं प्लॅनिंग किंवा तुमचं प्रिपरेशन you cannot wake up in 5 morning and go to the field and then decide let us start collection. असं होत नाही ना कधी. First of all you have to plan, you have to study what exactly I want to get from market. So this way you have to go. So first my objective is based on this question because this is the question. This question I want to answer. If at all I want to answer this question, I have to study views of customer. And after I study views of customer, I will able to answer this question. मला त्यांचे views लक्षात येईल माझ्या प्रोडक्टवर. किंवा question is what are the factors influencing on buying behavior? So the same you can put in a form of question or on the basis of this question you can spell out another objective of your study. So, by study to factors to assess or to examine factors influencing on buying behavior. Specifically, to study what price customer expects, correct, or what price they what price they want that product, what quality they expect, what quality features. Quality मध्ये पुन्हा quality is a very broad term. So quality, if at all you want to define, how you will define the quality? Quality, meaning of word quality. Quality is nothing but it is a
satisfaction.
yes,
Satisfaction.
satisfaction. Okay, satisfaction means quality. Satisfaction of customer means quality. Or quality product is that product which product
Fulfill the requirement.
fulfill the requirement, or which find fit for use. Now, for example, you use a fountain pen, or use stationery pen. So when I say no, this is a quality fountain pen, or when you will say this is a quality fountain, you will say that fountain pen is a quality fountain pen when it fulfills my requirement, or when it finds me for find fit for my use. That pen is quality pen which find fit for my use. Then I say okay, the quality. So what kind of quality customer expects? What feature, quality feature of product customer expects? That I want to find out from research. त्याचा तुम्हाला research करायचं. So this is my question. The same you can put in the form of objectives. So you can say to examine the quality features of product, or to study quality of product, or to study factors influencing on buying behavior. To study factors influencing, and that in factors, under factor you will cover all this. Quality you will consider, service you will consider, price you will consider, value you will consider. Means on each aspect you have to get the information from customer. Each factors means this. Means if at all you have to answer this question, how you can answer this question? After assessing each factor in influencing a buyer from customer. You have to go to customer and you have to find out what quality they expect, what service they expect from, what price they expect. So understood means how is first research question, and then on the basis of research question, objectives. So this is very important. Means unless you are clear about topic, subtopics, and following by research question, you cannot get a direction for your research. So you can say second question is, second objective is study factors. Study factors influencing or examine factors influencing. As I said, normally means this kind of words you can use. Study, examine, assess, evaluate, study effect. As per the topic, you have to use the words. So, question is what are the factors, and on the basis of question, objective is to study factors influencing on buying. For example, Parley. Parley company is a product. I want to buy product of Parley. So while buying product of Parley company, I will consider what price they charge. Britannia's price guy, Parley company products a price guy. What about the quality of Parley biscuits, and that will compare with Britannia. Service also, availability their product.